Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a bald eagle. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, can you say hi?
Hi.
Valentina and I were gonna draw a bald eagle. Okay, so let's open the markers. We're gonna start with the head and we're gonna do an upside down letter U for the head here on the top. Now we're gonna do the beak of the eagle, and in the center of this letter U, we're gonna do a line, and then we're gonna do a curve that goes down, and then we're gonna connect this point with the line. Good. Now let's do the eyes, and the eyes are gonna be two oval shapes. So I'm gonna put one in this side and I wanna fill it with black. And we're gonna do another one here on top of the beak and we're gonna fill it with black. Perfect. Now we're gonna do some feathers here, and we're just gonna do a zigzag line that goes up and down, up and down, until we get to the other side. You think it looks like an egg? Like a cracked egg? Now let's do the body, and we're gonna do two curved lines. We're gonna start from this corner. I'm gonna go down, and then from this corner we're gonna go down. Now we're gonna do the claws of the feet, and we're just gonna trace two oval shapes on each side. So I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and in this side the same. 1.
So we're drawing it
2.
on a tree.
Now we're gonna join with a line in between the two oval shapes. So you can choose to put your eagle actually sitting on a branch, but we're just gonna do our eagle like it's flying. So we're gonna do the wings out and spread. So we're gonna start from this corner. I'm going out, and from this corner I'm going out. And we're gonna go and do a diagonal line that goes down a little. So it's gonna go like this, down, and in the other side, down. Now let's do curved lines that is gonna come from this line until they connect to the body, and they're like upside down letter U. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's do in the other side. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is its tail. The claw, a line that goes out, and from this one a line that goes down, and we're gonna join them with bigger letter U's. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're bigger than the ones on the wings. Good job. That looks super nice. Now we're gonna add the last detail. You guys can skip this step if you want to. We're gonna add the stars on the eagle. The stars are gonna have the colors of the flag. So we're gonna put 3. We're gonna start on the top here in the center, and we're gonna do kind of like an upside down letter B. A triangle, yeah. And then we're gonna continue doing those triangles around for the star. Good. Now let's do 2 more in this side, okay? So I'm doing my letter B's, and they are going all together, going around. I want to do 1 more down here, and at the end we're gonna put some colors here, the black colors. There, that's it. We finished this picture of a bald eagle, and it's a really easy lesson for little artists, right, Vale? And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our bald eagles turned out with the colors. It was really easy. We just picked dark brown for the wings and a light brown for the body. We also pick the colors of the flag for the stars and a little bit of yellow for the claws and the beak. What do you think?
Yeah, and I hope you like the story.
We hope you like this picture, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.